Hello and welcome back to the sessions on artificial intelligence. In this video, we are going to explore the world of natural language processing. We are seeing this technology everywhere around us. We are using the mobile phone, we are using the Google Assistant, we are using the Siri, Alexa, we are getting the suggestions when we are typing something in the Google. We are seeing the suggestion while typing something in our mobile phone for the grammar as well as the word spelling of particular word. And we are also seeing this technology in the chatbots. So how this technology really works, what are the applications, what are the algorithms behind this, we are going to explore in this video. So natural language processing is nothing but the ability of a program to interact with the user, to understand the natural languages and to generate the output in the form of natural language. So in the form of natural language. So how system is interacting with the user, how system is getting the result from input from the user. There are two ways to do this. One is a text input, another is a speech input. So there are three stages for this NLP. In this NLP, the first thing is the recognition of data. It can be in speech recognition or it can be text recognition. Okay, the first thing is the recognition of data. Second thing is the natural language understanding. So whatever the text we are giving, whatever the input we are giving, our system must be able to understand that language. And the third thing is natural language generation, which is the output part of our machine. This was the principle of our NLP. And the working of our NLP model is, first thing is the data processing, finding the data from the user input. Whatever the data we are having, whatever the data user is providing, we have to fetch that data from the input provided by the user. And then second thing is the algorithm development. Our machine must be able to process on that data to generate the result. If we're talking about the result algorithms, we also talked about this previously, that we are having two systems. One is a knowledge based system where we are defining the set of instructions for our machine to work with, and in NLP there is also a mechanism or a method which is called the rule based method, which is only limited to few tasks and few languages. Rule based system helps us to fetch the names from a mail or a web page, emails, etc. And second thing is a classical model, while machine is able to learn the rule for that particular language by themselves. The model learns the feature of a specific language, which can be optimized using a feature engineering. For example, a bag of word, parts of speech, etc. So this is how our classical learning model works. The third model is the deep learning model. Using the deep learning model of NLP is currently the most popular way to perform the NLP analysis and the research. The model allows the highest accuracy of all the machines learning model in NLP analysis and the prediction. Unlike the classical machine learning model, deep learning model do not need handcrafted features or the feature engineering. This is because they can automatically perform the feature extraction and engineering from the training data. So let's start writing the code. Firstly, I'm using the Python coding environment of PictoBlocks. Import the time, then set the initial coordinates. Then as I said that I will be using the text recognition, so I have imported the text recognition extension here. Using this text recognition extension, we have to turn on the video, but in the flipped mode. Then we have to create a forever loop. Inside the forever loop, we have to use this text recognition extension for analyzing the handwritten text. If the handwritten text, we have to check for different results. If the handwritten text result is sad, firstly we are checking for the sad. So our sprite must say a message. You can modify this message. I have kept this message as do not be sad, be happy with what you have, be excited for what you want. In the else part, we have to check for another emotion, for example say happy. So accordingly again our sprite must say some message for the user, I'm very happy to know that you are happy. Now for another, and in the else part sprite must say try again, so that if there is not anything in the camera, so sprite will be saying that retry, show some text, and this message will appear for 2 seconds, and after 3 seconds this loop will continue repeating. Okay, let's just run this code and check the working of this code. But before you run this script, you must make sure that you have signed it in. Okay, here we got the recognition window, and here we got the result for happy, and let's check for this sad. Okay, it also shows the result for sad, and now let's check for excited. Here we got the result for excited also. So in this way, our machine is able to recognize the text and to work and to respond according to the text. So hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.